Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list, and we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 10. So as usual, early in morning, revise all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of each subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from affairs cloud or study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video. And there is a live class from adda YouTube channel by Santhosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video from adda 247 YouTube channel. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning. For quant section, tomorrow also practice PDFs or attempt quizzes for wrong number series for quant pre-level. And also for reasoning pre-level, practice PDFs or attempt quizzes for directions topic. And we have many free PDFs from Smart Kida and adda 247 and also from practice mark. So practice all those for your pre-level. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from many apps. So who are beginners, they all use all those PDFs for your pre-level, and those are very helpful for our pre-level exams. So use all those PDFs and attempt quizzes. And after that, who are preparing for mains in afternoon tomorrow, and in every Saturday I planned a weekly mains exam. So tomorrow, who are preparing for mains, attempt a clerk mains exam from one of your source. And in all board and textbook, you have one free mains exam of clerk mains. So tomorrow attempt that. And also if you have any purchase resource, attempt from that. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And then give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, read 37th page to 42nd page of development of banking in India topic. And for computer awareness also, read computer memory from 33 page to 37th page. And these two PDFs are in my Telegram group, so you can check from my Telegram group. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. Today we read April 3rd week current affairs. So tomorrow also read April 3rd week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.